What's going on, guys? If you clicked on this video, I'm gonna be giving you guys tips that I personally use and that helped me get out on my own. Oh, I'm late. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Today we're just gonna go cruise around the motorcycle. I'm gonna show you guys my little town. It's super beautiful, but why am I talking? You guys don't want to hear me talking, you guys want to see this.
He said, don't fall, don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Gone to the place where all this began. Just start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn.
Just cruised over to the park. As you can tell in the GoPro footage, we got that new GoPro up and running. So it's a beautiful drive. We got this lake right here. Super awesome lake right here. You're allowed to fish in here and stuff. I haven't fished yet. We got the bike, we got it parked over there. Let's roll that cinematic back. It's too beautiful not to have a cinematic.
Gotta fall first to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found. And you can't start again until you break down. Break down. Until you break down. They said, be me.
Arizona is literally so hot. We moved here at the hottest time of the summer. Now the weather's been so nice. I thought I should take advantage of it and ride my motorcycle around. I was riding over here and there was a duck. Literally, it quacked so loud. I'll see if I can replay it on my GoPro real fast. It freaked me out so bad. I hope you guys are enjoying my new YouTube videos. I'm trying to switch it up, do a new style. Comment below any video ideas. I'm in Phoenix, Arizona. I could do anything, so don't be shy to do that. Gotta see if it's recording. Oh yeah, we're on, boys. These speed bumps. Let's see if we can get some air. So I'm gonna get a pit bike and I'm gonna start riding out here in the desert. Another speed bump. I know it's no dirt bike, but it's better than nothing riding this motorcycle. We got the little horn. Sounds pretty good. Yo, there's a trampoline. I should go knock on that kid's door and see if I can jump on the trampoline with him. Super hot. Let's give Nevaeh a call real fast and see if she can open the garage. Hey baby, can you open the garage for me real fast? Bye. Woo! I have the best girlfriend, literally. Alright guys, we're back inside now. Me and Nevaeh, we're doing the 75 hard challenge, so we're on a super strict diet. Who's calling me? Alright, let's answer him on the vlog. Hello?
Hey,
Hey!
we've been getting you views, bro.
I appreciate the love. Alright guys, sorry about that. My buddy Jake called me. We're on 75 hard. We're on a super strict diet. We can't eat any dessert unless it's super healthy. But I wanted to show you guys this. We found a little alternative. It's these little cookies my girlfriend made. It's only made of peanut butter, vanilla, oats, and bananas. It's super healthy. It's part of our diet. And they are amazing. Take a bite. Mmm, they're so good. But shout out to Nevaeh. I love you. Woo! I haven't rode my scooter in a minute. Oh my gosh. It's not looking good so far. Oh. Alright, a little better. Oh my gosh. Ouch. I think that's enough scooter riding for the day. What's going on, guys? If you clicked on this video, I'm gonna be giving you guys tips that I personally use and that help me get out on my own. So you can rather take them or you could leave them. First off, I just wanna say, if you don't have a job yet, you should probably get a job and you should start saving money. If you go out on your own by the age of 18, you gotta sign a lease, and if you get into a house, you gotta have first and last month's of rent, and if your rent's $1,000, and that's $2,000 right there. Always have money saved up, do side hustles, sell stuff in your house that you don't use or that you don't necessarily need, and get that bank account stacking up. Another tip I would give you guys is to roommate with somebody. When you first go out on your own, find a roommate. It could be one of your buddies, it could be family, and rent a room out from them. It's so much easier. That's what I personally did. I rented a room out for my brother for 300 bucks a month. He helped me get up on my feet and everything. That's super appreciative of him. I'm sure you guys have a family member that might do that. You can look it up on Craigslist. You can look it up on Facebook Marketplace. A lot of people are actually looking for roommates. You'd be surprised. Another tip I can give you guys is to believe in yourself that you guys can do it. Some people are too scared. They don't want to go out on their own. They feel like they're not ready yet. Just get past that fear and move out on your own. It's pretty nice. Another tip would be to develop a plan. Have a whole plan written out. If you're planning to move out when you're 18 years old and you're 17 years old, use that whole entire year wisely and have a whole entire plan. If I can go back in time, I would for sure have a plan on how I was gonna do it and have everything figured out. I would for sure recommend doing that before anything. Have a really good solid plan. And that brings me to my next tip. Going back to saving your money, I would say a good solid number to have before you move out is about $3,000. I would personally recommend to get a house. Find roommates and get a house. It's so much easier. You don't have to deal with people. You have garage space, if you get a garage, of course. Another tip I can give you guys is to be smart about this. This is a big decision. If I could go back in time, I would probably stay with my parents a little bit longer. I just wanted to move out, and I moved out by age 18, if you guys are wondering. So if you're having family problems or something, but it's not that bad, deal with it and stay and save as much money as you can without paying rent, because you can save so much more money doing that, and it's probably a smarter choice. But if you want to go out on your own like I did, know that you can do it, believe in yourself, and you can do anything you put your mind to, honestly. And another tip I can give you guys is to have a good support system, because times could be really hard and you're gonna need a good support system. You're 18 years old, you're still super young. You might think you're old, but 18 is super young still. I'm 20, I'm super young. Sometimes I think I'm a lot older than I am. I've been out on my own for almost 3 years, so I think I'm really old. It makes you feel older for some reason. Have a really good support system. If it's your friends, family, and just make sure they're supporting you. Talk to them when you need them, and even talk to me. Shoot me a DM. I'll be your support system. And the last tip I want to give you guys, if you want to move out at 18 years old, move in with a family member for free. And what I mean by that is with only good intentions. Help out with food, help out with bills. It'll be a lot cheaper. You can get on your feet a lot better. Stay with them for a year, maybe 2 years, get on your feet. And they would love to help out, I think. Like, I'm not saying that, like, but never mind, but you know what I mean by that. So yeah, that's gonna end this video. If you guys have any other questions, you guys can shoot me a DM on my Instagram, and I'll be more than willing to help you out, because I have experience of moving out right when I was 18. Don't forget to give it a like if you did enjoy the video and got value from it. And just comment below anything, and I will reply to every single comment. And we'll see you guys in the next one.